it's supposed to look, guys. Oh, it's so dirty. Nice. That's a lot better. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another BoostaholicRacing video. So as you can see from the clips that previous to this one, I installed a brand new replacement cone for my Steeda intake. We have the new one on right now. Let you guys hear it a bit. But yeah, like hands down, bro, it was definitely a needed part. All right. The block is hot, we gotta get out of here. Yeah. Woo, that was nice, man. Practice makes perfect, guys. Alright, man, well, I hope you enjoyed the little bit of hoonage. I had fun making the video, and the intake seems to be working great. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, deuce.